to show you how to persisting the data using Zustand state management. Okay, let's create a new template from the React. And then I try to install the dependencies. Okay, so in the persist module that enables you to store your Zustand state in storage, simple local storage as in storage. So with this code, we can the user can access offline data because the data already stored in the local storage. Let's try to use it. You can copy this code. Okay, this import should be on top. Okay, we will set up the basics. Zustand store. There's a state called bears. There's the total of the bears. The current state is 0, and this is a function to update the bear state. It's in the increment by +1, and then this is the local storage name. Basically, this is the basic setup how you implement the Zustand store. We'll create like a starter system. Some beers and this next one, and then we want to get beers. We get the beer state from the beer store. State is beers. Okay, yeah, this is 0 beers. And then you add a button, add beers. When this button on click, will add beers by 1. So this is error. Add beers is not defined. We need to call add the add beers from the this one. Use beers. Oops. Beer store. Call the state. The state type is a function. So we store the add beers function state to the variables, and then we call it here. When the user click this button, the beers will be updated by this function, and then the current beers. This get function is to get current state of the bears. So initially the bears will be 0, so this value should be 0, and then +1. As you can see here. Oops. Why? Oh yeah, I need to add this. Maybe it doesn't work. Add beers. Add a beer, add a beer. Why it doesn't work? Add a beer store as add beers. Oh yeah, we need to separate the component because we create the store within the inside the app component. If we want to put this here, button here will be like a one component, we need to create another file to initialize our store. So this we need to create another component like this. So now let's try add persistent storage. Like you can see this, when we add bears, the state will be have 11 value, and when we refresh the page it will be back to 0, the initial value. So based on the combination, we need to add persist function from the Zustand middleware. Let's try to copy this. And then let's see how we can, oh yeah, we need to wrap, after we create the store, we need to wrap our state with the persist function. Oops. Okay. To get back is working, and then we need to wrap with the persist function. Yeah, maybe here. Oh, we forgot to import persist file from Zustand middleware. Let's use in. Undefined. What? Persist set get. After we create this persist set get like this. Oh, this one. Okay, we need to add this undefined field. Okay, this is option. We can name our local storage. This is food storage, like the for example. And then try to refresh it. We add 10 beers and refresh. There's still 10 beers. If we check our Zustand, the application in the inspect in our dev tools, what we call it, food. Oh, yeah, food storage. This is the state. We have 10, and then when we try to add more, the storage will be updated. That's good. And then also we can add a version here, version 1. Just that, yeah, in the application call storage, this one, it's version 1. Okay, this is the old version and this is the current version. Maybe this version is to do breaking change to the current storage, like renaming a field. You can add the version to the option of the persist function. Yeah, I think only that for now. Thank you for watching.